The Greatest Animal Predation Feats Part 8. Filmed in the Ngorongoro Crater Conservation Area, Tanzania, on the 17th of September 2013, and uploaded to the SPOB YouTube channel. A lioness embarks on a daring challenge to hunt down a Cape buffalo, all by herself. Separating a cow from a small herd, she straddles the fleeing animal, bringing it to a halt. Shifting her position on the struggling bovid, she secures a hold on its muzzle with her jaws, proceeding to collapse her quarry, which is over quadruple her size, via asphyxiation.